In this lesson, let's take a look at using the Hole Wizard for creating a specialized pocket operation. Now in this example, I want to create a specialized pocket operation for circular pockets that also require a chamfer. Now if we take a look at this solid model, you're going to notice that this pocket has this slot right here because it's actually a clamp. Well, because of that, because this is not a complete circle, I'm going to need to create wireframe geometry to represent the pocket. So I've done that by creating a circle that has the proper diameter at the right location. All right, so now let's go into our Hole Wizard. I'm going to head over to the Command Manager, into our stock toolpaths, and then select our Hole Wizard. Now the hole we want to apply our toolpath to is this one right here. It looks like it's going to be this bottom one, simple hole, 3-inch diameter. So I'm going to check that. I'm going to click Next and Next. So if you're going to perform a circular pocket operation, I suggest using counterbore. And then we're also going to perform a chamfer. Let's go into the counterbore operation by double-clicking. All right, from here, I'm going to be using a 3/4 inch diameter end mill. I'm going to say our speeds and feeds look fine on this, so I'm going to click Next. Now the diameter, that's the diameter of the pocket. In this example, it's going to be 3 inches. We're going to be using the clean circle pocket operation, and then here you're going to want to put your final Z depth in. In this example, it's -1.4. We're going to click Next on that. I'm going to go ahead and plunge for this example. We're going to climb cut, Next, and then for our rough depth, I'm going to use 470 thousandths. I'm going to increase our step over a little bit. Let's make that 350 thousandths. I'm going to click Finish on that. Now let's put in the parameters for our chamfer. I'm going to double click that. I already have a chamfer tool selected. That's in turret position number 2. Diameter looks fine. I'm going to give the flute length, let's say 1 inch, 250 thousandths, and the overall length, that's how far the tool sticks out of the holder. Let's make that 1.5 inches. All right, that looks good. So let's click Next. All right, so the width of the chamfer in this example is going to be 75 thousandths. That looks good. The tip offset, that's just how far the very tip of the chamfer tool goes past the bottom of the chamfer. For this, I have 20 thousandths. And then again, diameter, that's the diameter of the pocket. I think all that looks great. Let's click Next on that. This looks good. Very good. All right, so let's click Finish. Let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And let's take this into Simulator. I'm going to right-hand mouse click on the toolpath group, Simulate Rest. I'm going to use the solid model I created earlier for the stock. Let's click OK to that. All right, so what you're first seeing here is the clean circle pocket operation. And we're taking multiple depths of cut at 470 thousandths. And then that's going to finish with our chamfer operation, putting in a 75 thousandths chamfer along the top. So in summary, this lesson is to demonstrate that you can use the Hole Wizard to create a specialized pocket operation, for example, clean circle and then a chamfer, and then you could even save that as a template and use it later on. All right, that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.